how has your experience been at the business lending school?
It's been very good. I have to say that probably one of the biggest benefits that I see is stepping outside of your comfort zone, going in front of the classroom, and actually working through the exercises from start to finish so it sticks with you. So when you go back to the office, you have the confidence to sit with your member and sound like an expert.
Great, great. So what do you feel have been some of the direct benefits for you in terms of your work with business lending?
For me, it was closing the gaps for expertise, so I was a little bit more of a consultant or a coach for a business owner. So many times when we're meeting with a business member, we have a tendency to talk and not bring it down to the business owner's perspective. And so coming here, I feel like you walk away being a little bit more of a business model expert, so you can talk a lingo they understand and can connect with.
Okay, great. And so what do you see are some of the direct benefits that your credit union will gain from your participation here?
Well, obviously, by expanding my expertise through word of mouth, reputation, that will, in a small community like Yakima in particular, I think that will bode well on the entire credit union, not from a perspective of just growing the business portfolio, but also from a personal relationship and those business owners expanding and bringing their home loans and additional services because they look at us as experts and no longer as we don't know what we're doing anymore.